Looking to break into India's booming deep tech sector? Here's your golden opportunity. AI chips. The brains behind everything from autonomous cars and smart devices to data centers and defense systems. With India pushing hard on semiconductor self-reliance and AI integration, the timing couldn't be better. New government incentives, R&D collaborations, and demand for AI-powered hardware are creating fertile ground for innovation. And guess what? The space is still wide open for bold entrepreneurs and technologists. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start an artificial intelligence AI chip business in India, step by step. Whether you're a tech founder, hardware engineer, or a visionary investor, this guide is made for you. Here's what we'll cover: target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning with costing and profit margins, funding and investment options, company incorporation and legal setup, supporting documents, and how we, Market Research Universe MRU, can support your journey. Let's dive in and build the next big innovation in AI hardware, right here in India. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe MRU will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. This business is perfect for deep tech founders, semiconductor engineers, OEM partners, AI ML hardware innovators, defense and medtech solution providers, and VCs exploring frontier tech. The AI chip market is projected to touch $150.04 billion by 2025, and it's growing at an incredible 21% CAGR from 2025 to 2030. In India, this is driven by edge computing and IoT growth, government backing under Make in India and Semicon India, high demand in sectors like healthcare, defense, and EVs. Currently, big names like Tata Electronics and Sankhya Labs are gaining ground, but there's still huge opportunity in custom low-power, high-performance chips, especially for Indian needs. To sell your AI chips, target B2B clients like OEMs, defense smart device firms, attend expos like Semicon India and India Electronics Week, build partnerships with AI startups and R&D labs, use LinkedIn and technical blogs for credibility, focus on licensing your chip IP, offering custom chip designs, and building strong B2B pipelines. Let's talk numbers. Startup cost estimate, Rs8, 5 to Rs14 crore. This covers chip design tools, EDA licenses, 1.2, 2.5 crore prototype fabrication via TSMC, etc., 3.0, 5.0 crore R&D and hiring engineers, 12, 18 months runway, 2.5, 4.0 crore IP filing, licensing, and legal, 0.5, 1.0 crore office and IT infrastructure, 0.75, 1.2 crore marketing and GTM setup, 0.5, 1.0 crore. Operational costs yearly. Salaries, IP renewals, software licenses, compliance profit margin, post break-even, design licensing, 40%, 60%, fabless chip sales, bulk, 25%, 35% custom solutions, B2B, 50% plus. It's a high investment, high return game, and the timing is right. Here's how you can fund your journey. Early stage funding options, angel investors and deep tech. VCs, for example, Pi Ventures, Special Invest, Government Grants, Startup India Seed Fund Scheme, SISFs, MeITI's Chips to Startup, C2S, Program, Corporate Partnerships, collaborate with OEMs or AI companies. Academic Tech Transfer, tie-ups with IITs, IISc for R&D validation and funding. Bank loans, city-buy schemes for hardware innovation venture capital focus areas. High scalability, clear GTM strategy IP-backed models, export-ready innovation. Here's how to set up legally. Register as a private limited company, get GST, import-export code, and IP filings. Secure environmental clearances if manufacturing. Protect your chip designs with patents and NDAs. Legal compliance upfront saves you from major roadblocks later. Here's what you'll need to get started. Company incorporation docs, DPIIT Startup India recognition, business plan plus projections, IP documentation, environmental clearance if needed, feasibility reports, and financial models. Want expert help launching your AI chip startup? We at Market Research Universe MRU provide everything you need to succeed. Real-time market research reports, market feasibility reports, business plans, tailored go-to-market strategies, in-depth competitive landscape and pricing intelligence, forecast models and investment benchmarks, investor-ready pitch decks, business registration support. Whether you're at idea stage or prototype ready, we're your deep tech growth partner.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.